So, why do I prefer this one over this one? Victorinox Compact, and this is Victorinox Soldier or Military. This is closest to the issue that was issued for the Swiss Army, and I wanted, this is quite legendary. You can make holes to your belt with this one, and this flat screwdriver and bottle opener, and can opener and small flathead. But as you see, this blade tension, it's big one. As you see, the blade is bigger compared to the compact, and this is the problem. This is good if you are outdoors or whatever, but for everyday use this is pretty stiff to open. The blade tension is very high, especially on these small ones. It's good when you are using it, but usually the problem is just opening it. That's the problem in normal use. And that's why I have this, but I hardly never, I just keep it in my car, basically. And what I carry is this one. And also one reason is that the tension is very easy. Also, it's much more versatile. And I want 2-row. I don't want those 4 or 3 or more, because I want it to be on the pocket that it's thinner this way compared to this way. If you buy more than 3 or 4, it carries in the pocket like this, because it's thinner that way. And this is much more versatile, because I have scissors, and got my finger nails or any other stuff, blade. This has a multi-use. That is flathead, bottle opener, and also can opener, like with the tip you can open cans, and it works okay. So in this, those are separate, but bottle and can, but in this one they are combined. And easy tension. There's pen, toothpick, and tweezers, and these are great for pulling like wood sticks out of your fingers, and I often use this. So everything is usable, easy to use, and one reason is also that if I pull this one out, everyone is okay, he has a pocket knife, and what is that? But if you pull this one out, it's like, okay, that's that MacGyver knife, and it's not intimidating in any way. And even in this, it's to carry the most iconic brand of pocket knives. I think that's pretty nice. That's like everyday luxury. This hook is quite unusable, but who cares? This is quite usable. With eyeglasses or sunglasses, you can tighten small screws with this. And there's also a needle there. I bend it a little bit, but anyways, that's my thoughts. I prefer this one for that reason only. Smaller blade tension and more iconic, and you can carry this with your suit. Then we could compare it with Letterman. This is you don't get this good. The first waves are best because they had this leather pouch and nice logo. The later ones are pretty much crap. They have also kind of textile and stretchy things. And this is great, but again, who wants to, as you see, there's a little bit rust. But to carry this, no way. It weighs more than these two combined. Of course, it's more versatile, but in a city or any other, most situations you don't need this. So I keep this also in my car or my backpack, or sometimes it was in my fishing lure set. You can remove fishing hooks from the fish mouth with these, so it's good for those. Of course, it's versatile because you have all the blades and stuff here. But that's it. Little review of what to carry. Compact, the best there is. 2 rows and simple.